Okay, so let's keep it rolling, and I'm glad to welcome you in this episode 2 of On the Street. In this episode, I shot everything with obviously my Sony A7III and the 85mm from Sony. I only have the 1.8 because you really do have to break the bank to get the G Master one at 1.4. But this lens is just fantastic. And it's light and quite discreet, which is good for street photography, I think. As you'll see shortly, it was a bit rainy at times and also sunny, which added a lot of atmosphere to the shots. And without further ado, let's go. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. And as I did in episode 1, let's catch up at the end for a few comments on 1 or 2 shots. Hey, it's me again. So I hope you like the POV section, and let's talk about two shots now. And I'll start with my favorite pictures of that day, which is this one. I like it a lot because of the bright red jacket from this guy, and overall the colors are nice. I think it's a good combination. Second reason why I like it a lot is the expressions from these two subjects in the frame. The guy is looking at the girl, and she's having a quick cigarette break. Lastly, the two subjects in this picture are contained within their own frames. If we look at the girl, she's actually lit by the sun, which makes this square around her, and the guy is also right in the center from this of this pillar. And let's move on to the second shot, which is this one. I like it a lot, but it's typically a shot where I'm frustrated, and it could have been way better for two simple reasons. One, the fact that on the right side, there's not enough blue. There is this blue framing. On the left, it's okay, but here there's a couple of holes. I wish that it was a bit more full here in blue. And second reason why this shot is not perfect is simply because there is another character behind this one on the foreground with the hat. If she wasn't there, it would have been a way better shot, I think. Okay, that's it.